Right guys, sorry about that like random cut off in that video, but I'll try and salvage it. And I've decided to go back to just doing packs as I said I would. And I'm just trying, I'm just gonna say it again, I'm trying to get Team of the Week, Eden Hazard, and hopefully I will be able to get him. And yeah, oh, Brunero went to Real Sociedad, I didn't know that. And I'm just gonna try and cycle through them as fast as I can. And just hopefully get a good player again. I managed to get so far Casillas, Willian, and I have also managed to get Thiago Silva and Team of the Week Martin Skirtle, and that's Van der Vaart. Van der Vaart isn't good. Fabio, I think he's going to be hopefully a good signing for Cardiff. I just hope he doesn't turn out to be like his brother who plays for Man U, Raphael, who is just constantly aggroed, and he's just a twat in my opinion. Right, who have we got here? We got Luis Fabiano, 1,000 coins. I'll take that. Oh, coming down with a cold. It's not funny. Well, not coming down with a cold. I've had it for weeks now, and it's just really annoying. And I got Jose Enrique again, who I don't really care about because he's shite. Right. Come on. Come on, FIFA. Then we get Chet Salhovic. From deep cuts, no, do not. Right. And I'm just going to say this again, if you guys are up for a wager match, hopefully a good player wager match or a coin wager match. Try and make sure I've got the amount of coins by the time that whoever's up for the wager match can, so we can wager coins. So it's quite funny. I used to do wager matches with my cousins on Xbox, and that was a good laugh because he was he was so shit at FIFA. Oh, I got Charlotte again. Why can't I just get why can't I just get the other left mid who is Belgian and is called Hazard, who is just insane. Hazard is at the moment by far my favourite player just in the world. I just personally think he's just incredible. And we got Brad fucking Friedel. Brad fucking Friedel. Oh, and nobody else. Ugh. Right, let's go back to the store to get another pack. We are on currently 850k. And we've got fucking Fernando Llorente, who is shite. And who else have we got? Have we got anyone else just like sitting on the side? Oh, come on, FIFA, I'm trying to get through this as fast as possible. We've got Llorente, Barini, and Britton. Personally, think Barini is better than Britton, so it should be a higher rating. Barini is a very good striker. Shit, that was 1,000 coins. Oh well, 1,000 coins isn't much. Wait. Oh, I managed to get it somehow. Right, come on, Team of the Week in this pack. I can feel it. Oh, we got Ranocchia. Oh, no, that was still. Oh, bollocks, I've done it again. It's that third time. So, just can't be arsed. Oh, come on, come on. I need a good player to keep going. Like a high rated player just to keep me energetic and enthusiastic about this video. And we got Aranga, who I don't know, I've never heard of before. Oh, we got Thiago Silva again. Woohoo! Second time we got Thiago Silva. I'm quite chuffed with that. Right. So this pack should be on like 819k, maybe 820 something k. Hopefully. Rafinha and Stoch. Quick sell and okay. And good store. Right, let's get another pack. Come on, right, got Thiago Silva. Right, that's a good player there. Second time got Thiago Silva though. So it's not all rosy. But Thiago Silva is solid 30k, I reckon. And oh come on, FIFA, why are you doing this to me? I'm getting nothing in there, so I just waited about a minute and 30 seconds for nothing. Come on, come on, right, come on, Alaba, come on. Skip that. And we get Kazuki Honda. Is it Kazuki? Or something like that. Let's not trust him like that. First time we've got him in a pack actually, I think, so far. We've got Bochetti, who used to be a monster really. Got good pace, 76 pace for a centre back, not too bad. But I definitely prefer Chiellini as an Italian centre back, and Ogbonna, or Brazzaglia. It's got to be one of those. Who have we got? We got Jefferson, who I don't particularly like playing with, because he just lets in way too many goals for me, and I don't know why. I played with him a couple times, and I just decided no, he ain't staying. And I switched to Diego Alves, who was insane. We got Nzogbia, Valdivia, who I've never heard of in my life, and a kit, and I just can't be asked for kits. We have now broken the 700k mark. We are now on 798k, and we are getting through this monies. We got more. Okay, let's go. 75 rated kit. 75 rated player, man. Come on. I've somehow managed to buy one of these packs for coins earlier on in my FIFA career and got less than 1000k quick sell. I'm not happy. Alessandrini is shite. Playing for good pace. Just really cannot be bothered. Can't. Oh, we got Cody. No, what? Oh my god, why am I not getting anyone apart from Thiago Silva? It's so far my best player. As in highest rated, but if we get Eden Hazard team of the week, which I would love. Look at him there, he's just sitting there, just like, come on, get me a pack, bro. And I'm like, I'm trying, man. But, we got the wrong Torre again. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, whoops. Professional as ever. Oh, guys, come on. I need your help here. And we got Munyain. Fuck off. I already got you. Just go away. Oh, come on. Right. Hopefully Oscar as well will be a better rated player in FIFA 14. So I just personally think he's a beast. And yeah, so love playing with Oscar. He's like a younger version of Marin. I think, or older, I'm not entirely sure. Oh, come on, FIFA. Come on. Oh, come on. Right, there we go. Right, quick sell. Right, let's go back to store. And can please someone just tell me his fucking name? It really winds me up. And then who did we get? Oh, we got Kiesling again. Or Briand. Oh my god, not getting anything good in these packs. Come on, kid. Come on. Come on. Come on. Can you hear City sing? I can't hear a fucking thing. Tululan. Oh, come on. Da, 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 da. Can you hear Preston sing the little fucking thing? I don't even know. Oh, Lucas for fucking Dolsky again. Quick so, yes. Come on, lad. I need a player. I need a player. Player is what I need. Oh, I better not get down for copyright on that. Oh, shit. So that actually sounded like it. Oh, God. Please don't. No one try and get me for copyright, please. I'm begging you. Yeah, so tired. And just. It's not even late. I'm just. I'm just drained. Oh, come on, 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 come on. Is that good, sir? No, it's McGeady, who is. I fucking hope he's going to be a good signing for Everton because he's a monster of a player. Came up with his own skill move, the cheeky ass McGeady spin, which was so OP on FIFA. The, was it FIFA 12? Was it FIFA 12 or was it FIFA 13? It was either one of them. But it was just so OP. Literally like insanely OP. Right, and we have Jose Reina or Pepe Reina. Well, Fabio Borini again in Snodgrass. Oh my god. Quick sell. Right, come on. Come on. Need to get through this. Shakhtar's kit and no good players. Swear he didn't have hair last year. Or he had really short hair and he looked like a mole. Come on, come on, come on. Da 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 da, na 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 na. Away, goodbye. Come on, kid. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Aquilani again, oh, for fuck's sake. Ugh. At least I'm not getting Castro all over again. Oh, I better not have said that, so I just think. Castro shows up in this pack, I'm gonna be sick because I think I just broke my laptop charger, everybody. No, I didn't. We got Matic, who is shite, and we got another Armenian player. And I just feel like I'm dying. Oh, I'm on. I got 69. Ah, so much short. 696k. Alright, going for this. Come on! Fucking Balmont. Piss off. Ah, can you hear Percy sing? Ugh. I've got Ratonen, who's also shite. Oh, Calquil. It's the strength on Maka. I missed when Cleon was like the monster of all monsters. La 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 la. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, we got Victor Moses. He's only got 84 pace. How has he only got 84 pace? He used to be like a crackhead on speed. Oh, come on, Messi. Give me yourself. Give me yourself. And you give me Yelovich. Fucking Yelovich. And Montoya. Fuck you. Can you hear me? I really need to get that song stuck out of my head. Kind of annoying me now. And again, fucking Thomas Shaw. Jean. Oh, fuck off. You guys probably wondering why the fuck I'm just selling, like quick selling decent players who actually go for more than their quick sell value. There's mates I just can't be asked. Then I've got Wade and Pella. He's a solid keeper. Two keepers and a Latvian striker. Oh, well, I've been to Latvia and it's not, no, I'm not trying to be mean here, but it's not exactly the nicest of places. Yeah, on. Well, I've had one team of the week at least, with Martin Spirito. He's not exactly the worst one there. That's Stephen fucking Fletcher and Jadson. Well, Milan. Even though Jadson is a 5-star still, not even going to bother trying to sell him because he's just on no pace. Come on. Come on. Oh, mate! The better match for that show. Come on! Who is this? Tom fucking Huddleston. Oh, just come on! Give me the player! Can you hear dancing singing back in Oh, come on, man. Is that Diakite? Bye bye. If I don't get a player rated over 80 in this pack, I am going to cry. Oh, oh, for fuck's sake. It is now 9:45 at night, and I've still got I've got like 300k still to go through, 337k to go through. And so far I've done like 600k at packs, and yeah, it's just not going well. Only Juan trying to get me choosing his shite now. Can't wait for Team of the Seasons to come out, to be fair. I wonder what the cards are look like. Fucking Stuart Downing. Downey. Oh my god. Wait, was that Bayern's home kit? What? Oh, Bayern's home kit. Fuck. Proper confused me. Come on. Come on. Didn't even see it let flash. And we've got Julian fucking Lescott. Fuck my life. I'm falling asleep here because I haven't had anyone for a while. That's good, Carol. That was Thiago Silva again. And I'm falling asleep because I'm not getting anyone good. I've got Nicholas fucking Nelka. He is going in the guy over here, hiding in the corner. Please, even if it's someone like Lewandowski, or however you want to pronounce it. And his nose to lose his home game. Literally 2 lose, just 2 lose. All of this money. Was that Munyan again? Breathe. 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 Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. No, don't start singing Match of the Day. You'll definitely get them copyright. No, right, Joe Hart, you'll do right. So, yep, man, right, and Remy, bye bye. No, quick, so fuck it. La 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 la. Can you feel? Oh, who's this? This isn't Camel Granny. Wow! Wow, that's a lot of players. Holy shit. He's hiding in the corner. Oh, not playing. Shit, 3k fucking Quicksilver man. Yeah, it's most of the pack. As in, from just normal gold and rare players. Team of the weeks, they obviously go for it. Oh, we got Schwarzer. Oh, me. Fred. Just Fred. Fucking Fred. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, blah, 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 black sheep, rocks out, black sheep, blah, 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 blah. Oh, come on. Oh, we got Christopher Samba. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, we ain't getting no one good, man. Come on, Messi, give me Ronaldo. So contradictory. I just gave me Rue. Whatever the fucking Rue is. Come on, I'm running out of things to fucking talk about here. This isn't fun. Traore. Come on, 2 silver players. Not even fun. Oh my god! This is disgraceful so far at the minute. Highest rated player I got was 87. I'm not going to complain, but. La 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 la. Oh, I'm going to get copyrighted so badly. Wow. Shaqiri! Fucking monster. Wow, I've only got. I'm selling 28 players. Or I've sold quite a few. I've probably sold quite a few of them. And it is. It's fucking annoying, that's what it is. Come on. Give me Thiago Silva again if you want. I'm not fast. Let's have it. Wow. Come on, FIFA. Well, EA actually, just come on. You gave me Messi on FIFA 12. You gave me Inform Ibra on FIFA 13. And so far you've given me who's the best player? Oh yeah, Team of the Year Dani Alves on FIFA 14, but I'd love a Team of the Week Eden Hazard. I'd love a Team of the Week Eden Hazard, to be fair. And I got Martinez. Oh, for fuck's sake. Gary Cahill, Gary fucking Cahill, Gary Cahill. Why can't I get someone from the same team but who plays left mid and is fucking Belgian? Ah! So frustrating. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, we get John fucking Terry next. Oh, fuck. Oh, great, now I can't wait. Let me go to my transfers. Actually, quick. Ah! Oh, it's quick, so free pack. That would not have come from. Okay. Very quick sell. The rest. Right, let's go to transfers. Transfer database. Who has sold? So I can get rid of them. Right. Kroos has sold. Sold for 1.5k. Willian sold for 25.2k. Sold for 3.4k. Sold for 1.4k. Sold for 1k. Sold for 16.25k. Sold for 1.9k. Sold for 900. Sold for 5.1k. Sold for 8.6k. Sold for 1.3k. Sold for 350. Sold for 300. $26k cleared, 10, 6. Wait a minute. 35k so far. 5.2k, 16k. That's been going for 36 minutes and it's got 16k. So it's been going for 12. It's got 12 minutes left. It's got 650k, 650 points. That guy, I'm shitting myself in a minute. Right, come on. Get into another pack. Come on. Yeah, me. Right, 100k roughly to go. And then we are done. And I am done with just FIFA in general. No, 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 why do this to me? I'm gonna try nose pack again. It didn't go well. It went well last time, so I got Thiago Silva away. No. Come on. Oh. Oh, we get no one. Okay, got a fucking Arab badge. M. Just M. Come on! Give me a good player. Zuba. Zimzima, who's got the keys to my baby. And we get Rafael Varane. Best player for the past 100k. Possibly. You know what? Only got 17 players. Or 18 players. Oh, come on. No. Oh no, my FIFA's frozen. No! Come on! Oh. Well guys, I will try my best to edit this out, but I probably won't. I'll probably just leave it there, because I don't do editing at all. I think I need a partner on my fucking YouTube channel who does editing. And just like, yeah. I think my mum is just like, come on! Okay. Right. Okay, that seemed to work. Right guys, if I don't care about if this is supposed to be a million coin pack opening. But if I don't get anyone good in the next 3 packs, I am done. I'm just gonna be done. So this pack, nobody good. Oh fuck's sake! Actually fucking fuck my life. He's not exactly the best, but I wouldn't call him good because he's 85 rated. It's 85 or higher. No, it's higher than 85 is good. Oh fuck! Oh, I was about to fucking kill people. Right. Last pack to get someone rated over 85. 86 will make me carry on. So another Casillas will make me carry on. Or if it's a good player that's rated under 85. Oh, why did I just open my fucking mouth? I'm not complaining though, I just got actually caught out William. I won't complain. Okay, I might as well finish it because I haven't got long to go. And yeah, I've only got Bender, who I don't really care about. Right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Clement Grenier. That's who Newcastle wanted to replace Johan fucking by. I don't know why. Oh, we've got Sirigu. Oh, moon. Moon. Sorry if my voice is getting louder and then quieter because I'm getting close, like I'm moving my head. Because I'm really uncomfortable because I need a new chair. And it's not fun. Oh wait, moving up in the corner. Thank fuck I didn't quick sell that pack. Holy shit. So far I've got Ramos and Thiago Silva, the 2 beast centre back. But I'm not getting who I want. It's unfortunate. I might try and carry this on with what I've got left on my PS3 because it'll just be easier for me. This computer is just awkward. I just prefer it on my PS3 because I can just lay on my bed and chill. Kieran Gibbs. Right, I'm almost done. Roughly 2 more packs and then I'm done. 2 or 3 more packs and then I finished and that was shit. One last pack and it's messy and I'm not looking. This is the million coin pack. And I'm not looking. The players popped up yet. Oh, we get no one. Oscar Diaz or Cardiff's away at Pierce. Fuck's sake. Oh wait, no, that's 4. Oh wait, that's 430. No, because I just know. Because I've just sold someone. I just sold. Okay, because Silas just sold on Podolski. That explains that right. Right. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this £1,000,000 coin pack opening. Got Casillas, got Thiago Silva, got him from Skirtle, got him from Marco Schürrle, got another Thiago Silva, got all these. Willian again, Ramos. Who else? We got Ashley Cole, who I haven't yet sold. So there's people like me that bring the value down on players, and we get when I have a go at why they're going for so cheap. I really don't know anymore. Right, so then we've got Puyol. What is this Thiago Silva doing? 4 minutes left. I need to watch him. Shit. Actually, I'll just open this last pack, and then I'm done. And then I'm just done, and I'm going to go onto my bed and just chill. We got no one. We just got like 5 players, including 2 souls. And we've got 2 4. Right. All I can say, guys, is thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This was my first million coin pack opening, and it didn't go all badly. It just went reasonably badly. So, right, I'm off. See you guys next time. Like, subscribe. See you later.